a safe and efficient payment system. And if it's not written into legislation, it's at the heart of every central bank. They are also the lender of last resort. When banks fail, they come in and support them. Our central bank was set up in 1913. In 1907, we had a crisis. Banks were failing all around. Does anyone know the history of that crisis? Who actually was the lender of last resort in the U.S. economy in 1907? And it was not the U.S. government.
J.P. Morgan?
J.P. Morgan. And not J.P. Morgan, the bank, J.P. Morgan, the man. The man. I mean, he had a bank, he had a library, he had a lot of other things going on. For sure, you know, you could say he was the Bill Gates or Warren Buffett of his time, but in a sense, he had more influence than a Warren Buffett or a Bill Gates in 1907. We had had a